Good day everyone. For this presentation, we will discuss virtual reality, focusing on how environments are created using the Unity platform and how these are experienced using VR hardware.
Virtual reality or VR is a technology that creates fully immersive digital environment. It allows users to experience and interact with the virtual world as if they physically present.
Unity is a game engine used to create 2D and 3D environments, including virtual reality applications. It allows developers to design virtual worlds, including objects, lighting, and scripts. Unity engine has several important windows that may help in development.
The scene view is where developers build and arrange the virtual environment. This is where objects like walls, floors, and models are placed. The hierarchy window displays all the objects in the scene in a structured list, such as cameras, lights, and 3D models. The inspector window is used to edit the properties of each object, such as position, rotation, scale, and behavior. The project window contains all the assets used in the project, such as 3D models, scripts, textures, and audio files. These tools allow developers to fully build and manage virtual environments inside Unity.
Unity is not only used for building environment, but also for creating interaction. It allows a developer to add movement, object interaction, and user control inside the virtual world.
To experience virtual reality, special hardware devices are required. These devices work together to create an immersive and interactive experience.
The first VR headset, such as Oculus Quest 2. This device is worn on the head and displays fully immersive 3D virtual environment. It also tracks head movement, allowing the user to look naturally inside the virtual world.
The second are VR controllers, which are handheld devices used to interact objects in the virtual environment. These controllers allows user to perform action such as selecting, grabbing, and moving objects, making the experience interactive.
The third are the tracking system or sensor, such as those used HTC Vive. These sensors detect position and movement of the heads and hands, and this data sent to the system in real time. In some advanced VR setup, external bays are used to improve tracking accuracy and provide a wider movement range. Without these hardware components, virtual reality would not be fully immersive since user would not able to see or interact naturally with the virtual environment. To better understand how virtual reality works, we need to connect the software and the experience.
Unity is used to create the virtual environment or the virtual world itself.
This includes the designs of the scene, objects, lighting, and interaction that form the basis of the VR experience.
In some cases, Unity can already simulate a virtual reality environment even without using actual VR hardware.
For example, developers can create a first-person or immersive 3D environment that behaves like VR application where users can move around and interact using a computer setup. This is often used during development and testing before the application is connected to actual VR devices. When VR hardware is added, such as headsets and controllers, the experience becomes fully immersive and allows the user to physically enter the virtual world. Therefore, Unity serves as the foundation where the virtual world is built, while VR hardware enhances the experience by making it immersive and interactive.
Unity plays an important role in developing virtual reality environment.
When combined with VR devices, it creates immersive and interactive experiences.